Hey guys, Savir here, and I'm going to take a moment to give a quick shout out to Alejandro. I've been working with the man for the past 3 months now, and my experience has been absolutely amazing. Okay, so 3 months ago, I was looking to get into some business model other than YouTube. My existing business model is doing pretty good, but I was just looking to diversify back then, and I saw Alejandro's ad. It was intriguing to me. Okay, I jumped on a call with him, and I just saw the insane value that I would get from his mentorship. So I just quickly took action and enrolled. Okay, and after that, it was just a roller coaster ride. Okay, so after joining his program, after getting mentored by him, within the first week of starting, I made $1,000 profit from my Instagram business. My page literally had 50 followers. I got a kind of a ban. Okay, I couldn't message anymore, and I still made $1,000 clean, pure profit in the first week. And that's just insane. And I've never seen that before in any other business model. And basically, after that, I just kept on pushing harder and harder. And after 3 months of working with him, I've made $17,000 in revenue with that business in just 3 months from scratch with zero experience. 3 months ago, I didn't even know it was possible to make money from Instagram. Okay, so best part about working with Alejandro is the personal touch. He's always there for you. He replies as fast as possible, and it's a clear one-on-one engagement. Okay, one-on-one interaction. Okay, it's just perfect. It's exactly what I needed, and it's like you're not alone in it, right? And that's exactly what most people need. So if you're looking to scale your existing business, or if you're looking to start from scratch and make money online like I did, I just highly recommend you join Alejandro's program. It has everything you'll ever need, and I highly recommend doing it. Okay, it took me from zero to $17,000, which is more than $5,000 a month in just 3 months. So you see the results. Take action right now, and I'll see you there.